Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with FordPass for EV charge status notifications, full guide step by step clearly. To register with FordPass for EV charge status notifications, begin by ensuring that you have the FordPass app downloaded on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, visit your device's app store and search for FordPass. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your device. You will need to create a Ford account if you do not have one. To do this, select the Sign Up option. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to read and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. After completing the registration form, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in your email to verify your account. Now return to the FordPass app and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Vehicle section of the app. You will see an option to add your vehicle. Select Add Vehicle and follow the prompts to input your vehicle's VIN or use the scanning feature. After successfully adding your vehicle, you can set up notifications. Find the Notifications section within the app settings. Enable the option for charge status notifications. You may specify preferences such as when you would like to receive these notifications. After saving your notification settings, you're all set to receive updates on your EV's charge status. Make sure your app notifications are enabled in your device's settings to ensure you don't miss any alerts. You can now monitor your vehicle's charging status conveniently through the FordPass app. Enjoy the convenience of staying informed about your electric vehicle's charge levels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.